Zoom, zoom, students. This is first flight. I mean to say, class 10th CBSE English Literature, book first flight, chapter 1, a letter to God. I'm gonna teach you the summary of a letter to God, very effective way and easy method. So please enjoy with me. But before this, kindly learn these two new words. Words are here for you. Note down in your notebook. So friends, what is this? Bomb. So this is my first word for you. Bomb. Bomb means very good. I can use in sentence. Wow. This sandwich is bomb. It means यह sandwich बहुत अच्छा है. The second word is for you. Bummer. Bummer we use for not good. Oh, my test was a bummer. मेरा टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं था.
Brief introduction. A Letter to God is a story of a hard-working farmer who has extreme faith in God. A natural calamity leaves him in distress. Then he writes a letter to God to send him money so that he could help his family. Main characters. There are three main characters in this story. First one, Lancho, a hardworking and literate farmer, a postmaster and a postman, and some other post office employees. Now, brief summary. Lancho was a poor but hard-working farmer. He lived along with his family on the top of a hill. He hoped for a good crop, but his field needed rain. He waited for the rain. One day, it started drizzling. Lancho became very happy. He felt the falling raindrops as new silver coins falling from the sky. But gradually, the rain transformed into a hailstorm. It destroyed his crop completely. At this, Lancho filled with grief. He thought that his family would go hungry the whole year unless they found someone who could help them. Suddenly, an idea came to his mind to write a letter to God mentioning his destroyed crop. He had firm faith in God. On Sunday, he wrote a letter and asked the God for money. Then he put the letter in an envelope, addressed it to God, and went to the post office. Stick a stamp on it and dropped it in mailbox with a positive feedback from the side of God. The postman who took the letter out of the mailbox showed it to the postmaster. Everyone in the post office cracked a laugh. The postmaster realized the Lancho's firm faith in God. He discussed with his colleagues and collected money, put it in an envelope signed as God, and addressed it to Lancho. The next Sunday, Lancho received a letter from God. He was very much happy because he had firm faith in God. He opened the envelope but became angry as there were only 70 pesos, whereas he asked for 100 pesos. He knew God could not have made a mistake. Immediately, he wrote another letter to God with a request to send rest 30 paise amount, but not through mail, as according to him, the post office employees were a bunch of crooks. The moral of this story, it teaches us that if we have firm faith in God, we can accomplish anything considered impossible. So, friends, I hope you understood this summary. Kindly note down and read it carefully and learn. If you prepare it well, then you will be able to prepare short question answer, long question answer, everything, extracts. So, if you like, then please like, share, and subscribe Early Birds class if you are new on this channel. So, I'll meet you again. Stay home, stay safe.